Welcome back. This is Forex Chronicles. So we're going to look overview about on Euro USD. I'm gonna show you the three levels. So it's been a month, like 3 months already, and this pair has been in uptrend. So 3 cycles are done. We are hoping to see a bear trend for some while before this is going to finish up. So let me show you. So we got the first cycle here down, and we got other cycle here there, and we're having the last cycle that is there. So these are the three levels already seen. So in H4, these are like, each of these are like 6, each cycle has got 6 weeks inside, like probably 6 or 5. So like we got the first month, the second month, it's the third month. So when you go back to weekly, you're going to see the bigger picture. There was a level seen here already dropping, second level. So we're expecting like this is going to be a peak retest, and we're going to have a third level. The first level is seen clearly. Here it is, here, that is 13 and 50. The second level is 50 and 200. The black cross the blue, that is the second level. If you can see, if you can't draw these boxes, you can use the moving average. Whenever this is crossing, shows the second level is starting or is near to the end. So that's how it is. So if you can see the first level, just see, look at the 13 and 50 crossing. So we're going to lower time frame. So we're having a 3 month in a bull trend. So expecting to have a bear trend the coming month, that is 2024, from our view using the moving average. That's how that is the market maker cycle. The bigger picture, that is the bigger picture, guys. That is the bigger picture. As you can see, I already took my trade earlier, and because of this is there's a purple moving average around it. This is 800. This is a strong resistance. We're going to hold it for a while. So as you can see, I already took my early entries already, guys. That is today, 28th of 12 2013 2023, guys, sorry. Yeah, so I'm going to hold this for 1 month, guys, for 1 month, like maybe 2 to 3 weeks, if around there, and then I'll close. Reason is I've already seen the 3 levels clear. We're expecting a downtrend, that is bear trend, and it's gonna be fine. So that's how it count levels, guys. I want to show a recap on this. How am I going to hold this trade for a short term? So somewhere around here, the 13 moving average is so strong on higher time frame, guys. It's very strong. As you can see here, the cross of this, you can see here the cross of this 13 moving average, the red one here. That is why I took my entry when the price came back. Let me show you. Let me show you why I took this trade. It's because of this here. After this cross, price come and retrace here, plus this confluence of 3 cycles seen already. So it's good for me to take. This is normally, this is how market structure going. Like I'm already confident enough, so that's why I deploy a massive sell here. As you can see, a lot of position. So I'm in already, guys. We can ride together, but take precaution. you have to trade what you see. So I've already seen what is happening, so that's what I do exactly what I normally do. So if you haven't subscribed, guys, subscribe. We're going to have a nice lesson on 2024. I'm going to show you how to count levels in currency and indices for those who love to trade derived indices like volatility, boom and crash. It's easy. You just have to master how to count levels, how to count using the boxes, moving average, days, levels, everything, guys. So you're welcome. Thank you, guys.